no na social media ne nemu se na ojo Mahama oba na nsenya na wakoto kakraka bi achese sa aka no kra yehu bi da na wonya sa sika no wahe corruption na no ahye ase no bua me kakra sa aka na yehu ye trend wo social media no efiri he ono na ayiga ne sika no de akoto anase den
nana de wo mu ne se enye no kre se de na ya maame Jane Mensa declare about one. Kasa President Mahama etnemu at the bar office our cantonment ebe man acceptance speech no na sa kasa na ka ho sata na wan the president of Ghana
nanado
nti onya wa hemfa ya consider our presidency enough of the lies Mahama I must say na enemoni magu ase. So what again? Those cars belong to the brother Ibrahim cars. Linear. Yeah, pa prono. Me na now ka say na me wo vice president office.
Yeah.
Almost your cars are near you from Good House. Almost. President Mahama cars o yusu. Ebi mo one free. Linear no. Me and then me nam hai. Many minia Same is more than friendship. Same kopa there, na me will be a medebe supporter. I'll do it. If you're not free here, your tracker, we are going to $800,000. We are going to $600,000. And I'm a hammer in Sikawa. Now, more, your co equals no crana and another mama appointment. Remove you bulletproof cars in this country. This previous notorious government in Ekoyeno. And they are telling us to say, President Mahama is using states. What do they mean? Hey, baby, I do need you. Me maka this level no money acquire no more beko. But on record, President Mahama buy no yen car even Eseka finance minister cry nibi. Inti hina okofa sika cry de akotoka. Ade mu ye ba nkwada akra nya di anini. IPP said dan ye ka. Na we ye dan kotoka. Nana utemenga.
It's okay, pa.
Eti ni na ya kuhisem. Ya tro. People for no so na start with social media. But you see, let me tell them this. Ya di omanya mamonfie nwotwe. Abro ni be yinti. Mo anya good legacy. Ghana fo nyina nim dia mu dia jaye. Mo jaye nkrapan. Nti ene no ya to abawi adi obi asisu na wotwe no nya fe na mo be yete se de. Mo no mo na munimte. Because this administration, money I know was a multi-nipafo, especially my colleagues in the MBP. You have no locus in this government to even advise us. Because you are nation wreckers. You've created mess. To the reasonable minds in this country, they will talk. Not these are PSR or not 4 minus Arab, I say or minor. Yeah, just few weeks ago. Or more opposition. I don't want to mention names. I know colleagues in MPP, young guys who use bulletproof cars. What they've attained in life, no Mudu Ibrahim Mahama. Huh? Amudu Ibrahim. Na Ibrahim a talkers, na ni near the campaigner. More trendy with social media say, car President Mahama to be see that. Masa, omonko shepo.